In your face, buddy-o! In your face! Ah! What's going on, crew? Welcome back to our channel. Everybody here, I'm Stella. And I'm Maddie. And today we're going to be doing the Easter egg slime switch up challenge! So we have these eggs in front of us, and they are filled with mysterious slime ingredients. And they could be either good ingredients or bad. So we have to try to make the best Easter slime that we can. Hopefully we can do it. Yes, we can. Yes, we can. So before we get started, make sure you smash the subscribe button and be part of the crew. So let's get started. So it's round one, rock, paper, scissors, to see who gets to pick their egg first. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yeah, yes. So, let's see. I'll just pick that one then. Oopsie. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let me crack it. Time to make my breakfast. Looks like there's glue. What? Wait, one of these could be soap. I think yours is soap. What? No. What? They're both good colors, so I'm pretty suspicious right now. Okay, so I'm gonna pour in mine first. Let's see if it's glue or soap. Smell it. Okay, let's pour in mine. Smells like normal glue. I'm so confused if this is a prank or not. Is it? No? Okay, good. So we both got really lucky this round, so we both got good colors for Easter. Pink and blue. I like my color because it's a light blue, and there's mostly a lot of light colors in Easter. And this is a perfect color. Okay, so it's round 2. And I'm thinking now what egg I want. What's that? Sounds like glue. Wait. Are they both glue? No, yet? This one's shaky. And this one looks more heavier and this one's a little lighter. I want to go for this one. Okay, let's crack our eggs. Oh, mine's heavy. Mine's 2 clear glues! Yay! I thought it was 1 glue. 2. I just got plain tiny yellow glue. Hey, that's good, but mine's gonna be a clear slime. I thought hers would be something bad, like something very, very bad, but this was like a normal size glue. But this is my favorite color, so I'm pretty happy with this. Mine's gonna be a pretty blue color. Well, you don't know if it's gonna be blue. There might be more colors. Whoa! And I wanna see if I wanna switch or keep. Let's see. Ooh, this one feels heavy. I wanna keep. You ready? Slime! Yeah, I got glue! Pastel green, perfect for Easter. And a lot of these colors are very pastel, and they're just really nice, because I love pastel. It's like so pretty. Look at this. This is a beautiful slime. So I have our old Valentine's slime, and it's really watery and jiggly like Jell-O. I have to add this into my beautiness. At least it's metallic. And it has heart glitters. More. Everyone cheer! More. We gotta feel the sign, First, can we feel the sign? Bye. First we feel the sign. Ah! Hey, no, not right there, one in the middle. Moving on to round 4! Priscilla, switch your key. I want to. Will the light one be good or will the heavy one be good? I got good on the light one. You gonna keep? Keep. Okay. 2 blue glues! More glue! Nice. I thought that would be something else. So, since I keep getting blue, now I know that my slime will like be a gorgeous slime and Priscilla's will be, well, mine's gonna be a trash slime like this one.
Excuse me? Anyways, I love my glue combination. It's very, very pretty. And it's very Easter. Like very Easter. I love this. I wonder what it's gonna be. I'll see you in Easter like in yours, Maddie.
Round 5, round 5, round 5. And I'm gonna see if I wanna switch or keep. Let's do this.
Ooh. What do you want to do?
Is this candy? I wanna keep. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go.
Glitter! In your face, buddy-o! In your face! I got the glitter, and you got sprinkles. You thought it was candy.
Why? Why? Why?
I'm gonna put a little bit of each color. Let's start off with this is our first contestant, the purple. Welcome, purple. Ooh, this is pretty. Nice, nice, nice. A little more to brag in Maddie's face. And our next contestant is the green. Nice, nice green. I like the way. Maybe a little more to brag, Maddie. And our last contestant is the blue. Ooh, this is pretty. Look at my bowl, Maddie. Look how gorgeous it is. Maddie.
Okay, anyways, it's round 6.
And let's see here. More the merrier, or more the trickier?
Much later.
It's like they have a few things in here.
Much later. 7 hours later.
Keep more the trickier, obviously.
Okay.
Wait.
No, it's not. Okay, let's see.
Did you get? Woo! I am a lucky donkey today. Girlfriend!
No, nobody said I added it. I added it. See?
Wait, can I see it? Let me see it. I want to see if it's expired or not.
No, you're gonna pour it.
No, glitter can be expired. Look at the date right here when it can be expired. Ah! I have to make an announcement. Don't mind my unmatching pants, okay? Let's make an announcement. I need to go to the bathroom actually.
Okay.
I guess I'm back in the bathroom. Just gonna sit down slowly with my red glitter I bought. Ah! Maddie, oh my gosh! Ah! Sorry for that interruption, but anyways, sister goals! So time to add in mine. Now Maddie added red glitter. Don't worry, I can cover that up. Just gotta cover it up with this beautiful glitter. What should I add? Some sprinkles or some fruit? Or both? Both! This beautiful land of everything. Now some fruits. Okay, that's it. Wait, no! That is all of it. Round 7, this is our last and final round. I got anything to say, little girl? Oh, yeah, it's your turn. Do that. Wait, is it? You said those weren't fake. Hold on, let me get this. Jelly beans!
You have to add it in your slime.
I do?
Yes.
No, this is for me to eat, not add in. Alright, time to add these Starbursts. Ooh, you look pretty, girl. Dang, this looks really pretty, actually. Someone is really grumpy today. Girl! What has that bag done to you? Now it's time to mix it up. And yes, I saved jelly beans. No one can resist jelly beans. Ooh. Mine's pretty. It's beautiful.
Oh, look. My hands. I don't use forks, so I'm going with my hands.
Mine looks like egg yolk that came from an egg. And this slime did come from an egg, so.
Mine looks very weird.
My jelly beans
Not
are
Easter.
Look at our slimes. Mine
So
is nice.
cool.
Mine turned out to be an orange color, but I love it when it stretches out like that.
Mine's like a Valentine slime.
Yeah, I don't really like the jelly beans in mine because they keep on falling out. What a waste of jelly beans. What a waste of these poor jelly beans. A very nice slime, but not a very nice color. I think it should be more of a brighter orange or yellow, whatever this color is.
That Cupid slime we had, it turned my slime into a Valentine slime and a rubber slime. Mine is definitely a fail.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and comment down below which slime you like better, mine or Maddie's. But obviously mine. Am I right, guys? Am I right?
No.
Am I right, Maddie?
No.
And today's shout goes to Celine
And Emmanuel.
Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you guys want to try, make sure you hit the bell button and comment down below.